Fubara don't get fresh condition to avoid impeachment. Welcome, country people, to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification button. E go alert you once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The political crisis for Rivers State, e be like wetin no go get ending, because every day you go hear one new angle towards the resolution of the problem. The tori wey e enter now na say dem don hand a fresh condition to the suspended Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara to escape impeachment, as rumours dey very strong say President Bola Tinubu go fit return am to office on Thursday, June 12. Politics Nigeria, for their report, dem say Rivers State Chairman of the All Progressives Congress (APC), Chief Tony Okocha, don accuse the governor say e no dey show commitment to peace or the political healing after the crisis for the state. According to Okocha, e say im go fit confirm say dem no get any reconciliation effort when e dey underway for Rivers. Okocha dey talk dis one during one press briefing for Abuja. E say the suspended governor Fubara no make any move to reconcile with the lawmakers. E say and na dat one be the only genuine reconciliation wey e go fit save am from impeachment. E say because of the judgment of the Supreme Court as e concern the legislators. Una go recall say for March 18, President Bola Tinubu declare state of emergency for Rivers State, and that state of emergency come bring about the suspension of the governor Siminalayi Fubara in deputy Odo, and also the Speaker Amewule and the members of the State House of Assembly. Na there the president come appoint Vice Admiral retired Ibok Ete Ibas to administer the state for 6 months. Despite reports say Fubara dey visit Wike, dey visit President Tinubu, and also speculation come dey say im go likely to defect from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressives Congress (APC). Okocha say even if he do any of those ones, he say he no go remove the governor from accountability. According to Okocha, if Fubara join APC, he no get anything to do with the state of emergency for Rivers State. He say his sins dem no go fit forgive am because he come our party. He say no be true. He never talk to me about that one. He say he go enter APC through the door, not be through window. He say he get procedures to take defect. He say politics dey local, so he must defect from im ward, and none of the ward chairman don confirm any such move. Okocha come repeat say Fubara suspension e no get political undertone. He say but na wetin im term as the governor misdemeanor na be misbehavior of the suspended governor Fubara. He say not forget o, Supreme Court talk say Rivers State not get any government, and because of that one, the president needed to do something. Now make state of emergency come. The latest warning, he say e dey bring about concerns when former governor and current minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, don tok say Fubara no dey make any visible reconciliation effort. Wike, when he dey tok for one press conference before, he say e for advise against the emergency declaration Adibin the consultant, say because e support make the lawmakers dem impeach Fubara. Country people, this story when e dey come from the chairman of the All Progressives Congress for Rivers State, Chief Tony Okocha, e come be like one discordant tune as they go talk am for English, because the impression when people don dey get now be say they don dey resolve the Rivers debacle. So why Okocha come dey talk this one when e dey talk? Abi im dey talk on behalf of Wike, or na im own carry talk be this one? Abi im get personal grasp, because from the storyline say the governor, suspended governor, e never come meet am, e never come follow am talk. So im dey feel say dem dey despise am for the scheme of things as the state chairman of the APC, and if the governor wan jump come im party, im suppose to dey carried along. Or wetin be the basis for this talk when Tony Okocha, the APC state chairman, dey talk so? E don dey point out say the Fubara reconciliation, e come be like say na with Wike and Mr. President alone. What about the legislators dem wey dem dey determined to impeach am? This na litmus test, because political watchers, e dey see am say na Wike na be the issue for Rivers State. The legislators dem, no be to disrespect dem, na wetin Wike want make dem do, apparently na dem go do. So if you target the head, the body go fall in line. Maybe na that one make Fubara dey focus on Wike and President Tinubu for im reconciliation effort. However, from the body language of the APC state chairman, make Fubara too still reach out to the Martins and Mewule and im members for all-inclusive peace and reconciliation. After all, e don already start am. E no go take am anything. Rather, e go even boost im chances of coming back shortly. I think na good counsel Okocha give, even though the way e take present am may be suspect. Wetin you think?